Hello viewers, today I will teach you about the parts of speech. There are different parts of speech which are used for making sentences and they have given the names according to their working for creating the sentences. There are 8 parts of speech which are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverbs, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Number 1 is noun. Noun is simply what? A naming word, and which is given to place, person, animal, quality or any activity. So examples are here. The car arrived. Here the car is a noun. For the person you can give right now, for example, I have written here a noun is John. Place, for example, Lahore. Animal, for example, lion. Quality, for example, honesty. Activity, for example, tennis. So these are the examples for this. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word replaces noun. Here a sentence which is written here, it is not correct here. Why? Because here you can see John has a car and John goes to office by a car. John and car is repeating in the same sentence. So this is not right way to make a sentence. So what happened? The right sentence is John has a car and he goes to office by it. In this sentence, this is a correct sentence. Why? Because we are using the pronoun and we are not repeating the same subject and object again and again, and we are replacing by pronoun. Here the subject is John, which is replaced by subject pronoun he, and the object is car, which is replaced by it. You can also see the in detail here. Subject pronouns are there, which are written here: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And object pronoun are me, you, us, them, his, her, it. The next one is adjective. Adjective tells us about noun or pronoun. So these are written here in the chart. You can easily understand. The car departed. In the first example, you can easily understand car is specific, so that's why we are using, or known, so that's why we are using the. The large car, it means we are describing more about a car. Here there are 2 words using for describing car: the large size of a car. The third one is a large new. Here the adjectives are more, which are describing more about a car, that it's a new car. In the fourth example, you can see red car, a large new red car. So it describes more about the color of the car, which is in a red. In the final example, you can easily understand a large new red racing car departed. So in this way you can describe about the adjectives. Now the next slide is verb. Verbs are 2 types: action or state. Action verbs shows you the action. For example, the car arrived. It shows you the working of arriving. So this is a verb action, which shows you the action verb here, the arrived. The second one is state verb. State verb shows you the situation. He is a pilot. In this there is no action, it is just showing you the situation that he is a pilot. Here the state verb is. For the action verb, for example, he writes a letter. Here the writes a letter, writes show you the action of writing a letter, which is a action verb. So the next one is adverbs. Adverbs tells us more about a verb or adverb and adjective. Number 1, he shouted loudly. Here the action is shouted, which is described by loudly, in a way of loudly. So this is a first type, or you can say the first way of describing an adverb. Second, in the second sentence, she enjoyed very well. Here the well is adverb, and which is further explained by second adverb, which is very. So the adverb well is further explained by second adverb very. So this is the second type of adverbs. The third type. In the third type, it is very cold day. Here the adjective is cold. So which is described by adverb which is very. In the third sentence, you can easily understand cold is an adjective and very is an adverb which explains you about more about cold, that is an adjective. So these all are the types or different ways of describing an adverbs. The next one is prepositions. Prepositions, a word or group of words, are used to show position, place or time. There are many prepositions. I have written some examples for you. Is one example here for the preposition is he will arrive at home on Sunday. Here the at is showing you the position, place of position. For example, at home. On Sunday shows you the timings on Sunday. So there are the three types of prepositions which shows you the position, place or time. Conjunction. This is a word used to join sentences, phrases or words. So we use here, for example, and, but, because, or. Example number 1 is Shizuka and John are working in the same organization. Here the and word is linking and joining this sentence. Shizuka and John are working in the same organization. Second example, he became angry because of you. So this is the word, second word is because, which shows you that this is combining or joining the sentence. The next one is interjection. A word or phrase or sound told unexpectedly to express an emotion. Suddenly you say any word for expressing your feelings or emotions. So what happened? It is called an interjection. For example, if you see a sports car, a new brand sports car, which is very attractful, so what happened? You say, wow, this is a great car. So these are the words which are used for expressing your feelings or emotions suddenly. So this is my today's lecture.